The 6th of October, Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura.
So start. We'll probably jump around, but let's start. Up ratio to Aleph. Up ratio to Aleph.
Okay. I'm sorry. What did you say, Rabbi?
Tough Reish Yud Aleph.
Tough, Resh, Yud, Aleph. Okay.
Yeah, I guess you can read it. Like,
Okay. Yom HaKippurim,
yeah,
Leilo, Kiyomo, L'chol Devar. So Yom Kippur uh, is like the day in all things.
right. Like whatever is us during the day is us during the night. That's what it means to say.
Uma haim hadivarim v'asorim bo, and the things that are forbidden on Yom Kippur are malacha, achila, eating, shtia, drinking, rechitza, washing, sicha, anointing, ne'ilas hasandal, wearing leather shoes, tashmish, umita, hamita, relations in the bed. Ein chiyuv, ve'ein chiyuv, kares, ella, al melacha, va'achila, ushtia. And you're not obligated for kares to be cut off, except if you eat. I'm sorry, if you do work, if you eat, or you drink. So should I go to the Mishnah Berura?
Yes, please.
Okay, Leilo Kamo.
Yeah.
Dichsiv me erev ad erev.
This is what it says in the Torah, in the pasuk there. Erev ad erev.
From evening to evening. So it's a full day. Melacha, achila, v'gomer. Working and eating, etc. Bagemara, Gilfinan, Lehu, Mikama, Karae, Decho, Have, I'm sorry, Hane, Nikra, Inui. In the Gemara, it's derived that there are many verses that all these are written about affliction. And it follows Telahu bichlal ve'inisem es naf shosechem. And it follows that these, all of these, for all of these, the general rule is I don't know what inisem is.
So that's to afflict from Inuyim, Inisem. Afflictions.
They are afflictions of the soul. Okay. The ein chiyuv kares ella gomer. The only you're only liable for kares, etc. Aval inach ein bahem ella isur gereda. But affliction is not is only from the prohibition itself.
We'll see that the two things are mentioned over here. That you have the pasuk Inui Mamela Kulu Klali Nisem. That's not just saying. All these will include all these things. Mr. Berura is saying all these things are included in the different ways of affliction. Right.
Ikomakom yesh omrim shehu min haTorah. Nevertheless, there are those who say that this is from the Torah.
Right. There are those that these afflictions are from the Torah. I mean, the others, other than eating and drinking, those are clearly from the Torah. Right? We're talking about the other ones.
Right. So therefore, I guess the implication is that they should be also kares.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Eating and drinking should be chorus. How we learn that out is another question, right?
Okay. Yalfinan lehu bishas mikra'e. I don't know. What's Yalfinan?
It is to derive.
So if we derive from this, we derive this from the psukim.
Right. Right.
Yesh omrim she'enan ella mide rabbanan.
So this is a different opinion. This is his opinion which holds it's not the Raisa, rather the Rabbana.
Right. So this is like a new sentence.
Correct.
Ukaroi asmachta ba'alma ninahu. And the pasuk is an asmachta An asmakta is a rule of derivation. So so they're saying that it's Rabbanan, and the the pasuk the Rabbanan is derived from the pasuk.
Yeah, you have those things. It's a smachta b'alma. It's still in essence the prohibition is derabbanan, but we rely on the information given to us by the pasuk.
Right. V'nafka mina le'inyan eze suffix, and the significance of this is that is when we have a situation of a doubt.
Right,
That's what it makes a difference.
correct. Because we have in the general principles, suffer deraisa l'chumra, suffer derabbanan l'kula. So we have to know how we are going to resolve the other inuyim. Well, they'll be decided to be the Lamachmir, the deraisa, or the Michael, the Rabbanan.
So even if it's a derabanan that's derived from a pasuk, nevertheless, it's still lakula. Correct?
Um, yes, that's what's indicated. Not everything that's learned out from Pasuk is deraisa.
Right. Well, the ma'aseh roi lehachmir, and uh, it's appropriate for us to act in a strict manner. In other words, to treat it as being derisive.
Very good. Very good. Okay, so that's the decision of the Mr. Brewer, that when you have a question, so when you have to decide the question, it's proper that we view it as a derisa, even though there may be opinions that are not of that uh, view. But we'll we'll postulate that we should treat it with the significance of a derisa.
So in other words,
Okay.
the entire list of things that we read above should be viewed as kares.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Okay, should I go back to the mechaber? Bet.
Yeah, please. Yes, good. Go ahead.
Kol malacha l'shechayavim aleha b'Shabbat chayavin aleha b'Yom Kippur. All of the work, all of the, I guess, the types of work for which one is obligated, or I guess which are forbidden on Shabbos, they're similarly forbidden on Yom Kippur. V'chol shebe Shabbos patur aval aser, and everything that on Shabbos is permitted but forbidden. What does aval aser mean?
Okay, fine. Let's continue.
Okay, so what does it mean when it says that it's permitted, but it's forbidden?
Well, Potter means he's exempt. He's exempt from being a korban, right? Exempt from being a korban, but it's forbidden
Oh,
to
it's
do it.
but it's not serious. In other words, it's forbidden, but it's less serious.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so Gam Bayom HaKippur Kain. So the same thing applies on Yom Kippur. It's forbidden, but there's no carbon. Ella b'Shabbat Zidono biskila b'Yom HaKippur Zidono b'Kares. But rather, on the things that for Shabbat are punished with skila is stoning. Uh, on Yom Kippur, they get kares, no stoning.
Right.
V'chol she'asur l'tal talo b'Shabbat asur l'tal talo b'yom HaKippurim. And everything that is forbidden, l'taltalo, is that with property?
Altitude means it's like to move it. Altitude is moving it in some way.
Moving everything that is forbidden regarding moving property on Shabbos is also forbidden on Yom Kippur. The hitiru lekanes yarak. The leaf soa at egozim mincha ula mala ke shechal b'chol. Okay, so and there's a permissibility lekanes. What's lekanes?
To literally to enter into.
To enter. So you're permitted to enter yakar. What's yakar?
That is a certain type of value.
I'm sorry, what?
That's a certain type of a value, right? That it's um, one second. I'll read the like one second. No. Again, what's that word?
Yakar. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yarak.
Yerek is a vegetable. Yerek is a vegetable.
Vegetable. Okay, so the leaf tsoa egozim. Something about nuts. You should not. Well, you don't eat anything, so egozim is nuts, right?
Yeah, crack open nuts.
Crack open nuts. min ha mincha, from mincha, ulamala, and onward, ki shecho b'cho, like chol, like ordinary days.
Right, that's right.
So I'm not following the sentence. What about the vegetables and the nuts?
So those, right, those are um allowable to be moved, right? There's a question whether you can move food on Yom Kippur, right?
Oh, well, vegetables
So
and nuts. You can crack nuts and you can move vegetables.
yeah, we'll see. We'll have to see more about this. Um, yeah, but okay, let's hold here and make a review tomorrow morning.
Okay, so tomorrow morning is normal, 9 o'clock, right?
I believe so, yeah. I
Okay.
believe so. Okay, thank you, Lou. Very good.
Okay,
Thank you,
Yeshua.
Mayor. Both have a good day.
All right, you too, Rabbi. Have an easy fast.
Thank you, both of you as well. Thank you. Be well. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay.